Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to view history on TikTok using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of history. Next, tap on three horizontal lines at the top right corner to open your settings menu. Tap on settings and privacy. Now scroll down until you see activity center. Tap on it. After that, tap on history. Now you will see all the videos you have watched recently on TikTok. When you tap any video to watch it again or clearer, watch history if you want to start fresh. Now you know how to check your TikTok watch history in seconds on your iPhone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.